Hey ladies, it's Erica here with Tiny Acorn. I am so excited about my video today. As you guys might have seen my last video, my Thrift with Us, where I interviewed my friend Janelle and we kind of went into her closet and kind of just shared more of her style inspo with us. I'm really excited because today I'm with my friend Beth. She is in a band with my husband. She has 4 different music projects that she is working on. She has an awesome sense of style. Every time I see her outfits, I'm always admiring her. So today I am going to introduce you to Beth. We're gonna take a look in her closet and she's gonna show us some of her favorite pieces, talk to us a little bit about how her music influences her sense of style. Then we're gonna go thrifting, try to find some cool outfits for one of her upcoming music videos. So make sure to stay tuned. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. That way you're notified when I post a new video. Let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for having me here. So Beth, you have several different music projects. Can you tell me a little bit more about them?
Yeah. One of them is Before the Brave with Jason, sort of an alt-country indie rock project. I get to sing and it's a lot of fun. One is a heavier bluesy kind of metal band. One is a little more hip-hop inspired. And then one is my solo project, which is kind of my heart and soul right now. It's called Billie Gale. And that was my mom's name. And she represents to me this combination of soft and strong and sort of a classic feminist. Yeah, I think what's fun about being in a lot of different bands is that each band has its own style. So when I show up to play with Before the Brave, I sort of think about almost country-inspired, sort of Western feel with my clothes. Yeah, when I show up to play with Sweetwater Black, which is a heavier kind of bluesy sound, I get to wear a leather jacket or feel a little darker. For my own project, Billie Gale, I really get to invent what it's gonna be. So I always have my mom in mind. I always have sort of 70s, 80s style in mind when I'm styling the band or when I'm thinking about what I'm gonna wear. And it's just a fun aspect of being in a music project because I get to think about how the visual quality will affect the way people hear the music we're presenting.
You guys are doing a lot right now, and you have a song coming out on the 20th, right? And then you're also doing a tour?
Yeah. Well, our debut single is coming out this week, and we're going to play a local show for the release, and then we're going to head up to Seattle and Portland.
Nice. And I'll go ahead and put the dates down below and her website and her Instagram handle. Beth, how has music influenced the way that you dress?
So I take a lot of inspiration from people like Joni Mitchell or Kate Bush or other women musicians who I appreciate. My Brightest Diamond or St. Vincent, of course, does such a great job of connecting style and the music that she's creating. And so yeah, I think I look to other female musicians quite a lot.
How would you describe your style in 3 words?
Probably a little effortless. I don't spend a lot of time on like hair and makeup. I don't know, maybe a little eclectic. I think my style is always changing, but what doesn't change is probably my desire to experiment. And I mean, like most people, I just want to wear something that you haven't seen before.
Nice.
I think I just like to feel different.
Yeah.
But it's like a constant struggle for me because I'm not always super comfortable feeling super different. So, I don't know, I think I challenge myself a lot to like wear something that I might think is too over the top.
That's good.
Yeah.
You're continuing to push yourself.
Yeah.
All right, we're in Beth's closet. So, Beth, do you want to pull out some of your favorite pieces?
Yeah. Okay, so this is a dress I wear all the time right now. It's just very 90s. I also love it just because it's like great to just put on a dress and then you're done. So normally, if I don't have much time to get ready, I'll throw on like a pair of vintage jeans and then like a good button-up. This is my favorite button-up right now. It's got just a great safari print on it. So I can like tie it in a knot or tuck it in or just like wear it long over some skinny pants. I've also got this skirt. I got this in Portland at a vintage mall. This is great with like a t-shirt or when I'm just like trying to wear something a little different. I just love collared button-ups, so I have a lot of them.
I feel like that's kind of a signature look for you.
Definitely, yeah. So this like stripy silky one. This is like I don't know if it's still cool anymore, but I love this sort of 90s over the top. Usually just like tucked into some jeans or a skirt, especially when I'm playing with bands. I don't always like to feel like super hyper feminized. It can just feel like I'm being cornered into being the girl in the band. So I like to look feminine, but I also want to kind of fit in with what the guys are wearing. So it's just an easy way to look like myself, but also feel like I'm wearing something unique.
All right, so our plan is we're gonna check out this Salvation Army here in Oakland first. Then we're gonna head over to a vintage store in Oakland. So let's see what we can find. I feel like you could like accessorize it.
Yeah, for sure. So
You put me in my place when you dug a hole and covered up my face.
Ketchup and mustard. And then these two red dresses.
well, I really like
How you can fade when you fear for what you had, or maybe you know.
Look at the detail on that collar. Isn't that cute? A little pocket. And it buttons at the top too, so there's a little stain. But I don't really care about stains unless it's like right there on the front. So I think I'm gonna get it.
But give me back my cold, give me back my color.
They're really cute.
Tell us so.
It's very 60s mod. I feel like you could do like a white colored blouse like underneath would be kind of cute. Just go like full blown 60s. Love this little patch pocket. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I don't know if I'd wear it like a
I love this.
Yay!
Yeah, this would be good show gifts.
Nah.
No, I won't tell the others.
I like these shoes a lot. They are comfort first. Does it work?
I feel like it should be a shirt.
Yeah.
I might buy it and cut it off and then hang it at the bottom.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
It's a little tight, but that doesn't really matter. This is for sure the shape.
More boxy and like oversized.
You Colorado.
I'm gonna get this blazer for the music video. Good for projection.
What's your vision for the music video?
All white, so the guy's all in white, I'm all in white, and then we're just gonna project lots of abstract images. These just for shows probably. They're a little bit shiny. I don't know when I'll wear these, but they're flowy and they're great. This dress. The buttons down the back.
You're older after all.
Alright, we're gonna go to a coffee shop to get a little pit stop, and then we're gonna head out to one of Beth's favorite vintage stores.
Yeah, Mercy Vintage on Piedmont.
How much did you spend?
$30. And I
Nice.
got over 5 things.
Sweet. Cool.
I spent $19.99 and I got a dress, a blazer, shoes, and some CDs for my husband.
And you made each wave breaks your skin like ceremonious brew. If your needs is food.
I don't even know what I would wear it to, but it's amazing.
But I've taken my teeth so you can eat my trophies too. Just give me back my cold.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's pretty fit.
I like it.
Yeah, I don't know about the color, but
And I will cover us both. Give me back my cold.
I don't know if it's too long or not. I think this is super cool. I would wear this one if I like.
There might not- I couldn't see outside the weather. It made
Beth, thank you so much for having me here and just like letting me go through your closet and sharing some of your style and inspiration with us. She has a show coming up on July 20th here in Oakland at
The Temescal Block Party. Yeah, during the day.
If you can't make it to the show, make sure to check out her single that she's releasing that day. I'll link her Instagram and website and all the tour dates for her Seattle and Portland tour. I'm going to put all these links down below, so make sure to come out if you can. And I'd love to say hi to you guys. I know that I'm going to be there. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And remember, you guys, you are beautiful just the way you are. Bye! Bye!
And you